is helping the 31st night service. What have you done? Toward the end of last year during the IBPC, you said, my goodness, I'm going to do X, Y, Z, I'm going to do. But the new year has started now. It has started. This is already 1 month. 1 month into the new year. What have you done? I praise your vision. I praise your vision. It gives you an opportunity to reset goals. Some of the goals you have may have expired. You have a goal that's expired, push it aside. You set your goals don't set you. You set your goals, you own the goals. Let me give you an example. Say you're 44 years old and your dream was to play for the national team. Forget that goal. Just leave it. Just don't say this year I'm going to play for that team. Just leave it alone. At least not football team. Come on, did you get what I just said? Reset the goal. Greatness is not in whether you play for the national team or not. God can give you even greater glory through something else. So look at your goals and reset them. A new year gives you an opportunity to forget the past. It gives you an opportunity to forget the past. I don't know what 2020 may have been like for you. I don't know what happened, what didn't happen. But you can forget it. You can choose to forget it. You can just choose to forget it. Don't let anything in the past define what this new year is going to be like. Don't let it define it. You lost a job from a particular company and you've been prophesying and speaking the word. They are going to call me back. They will call me back. They will call me back. 6 months they've not called you back. Thus said the Lord, move forward. Just forget it. Forget it. Someone engaged you and you're going to get married 2 weeks before the wedding. He said, oh no, I don't feel you anymore. So since then, you have been pursuing him. Stop pursuing him. Forget the past. Nobody said amen for that one.